Excellency, I am pleased to receive the congratulations. I welcome you most to the Republic of India, and I wish you a very successful mission. Please convey to the Excellency of India, the government of Singapore, our warmest wishes, and for the continued peace and prosperity. Welcome to Fiji.
Yeah.
Murugata.